I love our new kitchen connection so much. It's made such a difference to our life with, it's much more functional, and it feels like this is actually the kitchen we were always meant to have. And Stephen and I were talking about that all the time, actually, about how glad we were that we went and did that. And then Stephen asked me this question. Maybe we should go and talk to them and look at wardrobes. They've got wardrobe connection. Maybe we should go and see if there's something we could do to improve our storage in our wardrobes. First of all, I hadn't even really thought about doing the wardrobes, and then thinking about it a few days after Stephen mentioned it, then I suddenly realised how dysfunctional our current wardrobe situation was. This one.
Yeah. What is it that you like about that one?
So I like having the mirror.
Yep.
I think at least one mirror would be really good. I mean, we could do 2 mirrors, but that's a lot.
I think that's probably too much,
Yeah.
having 2 mirrors.
Wow, this is nice.
It's a very sort of classy colour, isn't it?
I really like it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's go find someone and we'll...
Okay.
Hi guys. Hi. You're back.
Love the kitchen. Now we've got to move on to the next room.
Well
in the
done.
house.
And how's the kitchen going? You loving it?
I love it so much.
That's good. It's life changing.
It actually really is.
Yeah. So to the wardrobe.
Yes.
So what are we looking at for the wardrobe?
Okay. So we've got a walk-in that's all it is hanging. And then we've got some other random furniture. So we probably need to sit down and think about the space.
Yeah. So just a walk-in, not a built-in as well?
Just a walk-in at
Just
the
a
moment.
walk-in.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
You like this one? Yeah. Yeah, and you can see there you've got a choice of handles.
Yeah.
I
like the shoe.
Your shoe, angle shoe. Yeah, angle shoe rack, which is great. You can get that in different sizes.
Why don't we have a look at the different options?
Yeah. But yes, you can have that inside if you wanted to, but you'd have to do the luxury one.
If we did dark in the walk-in, but did white for the built-in.
And it's probably nicer having the white
Yeah.
cabinetry behind the white doors.
Yes.
Like, oftentimes people will do something like this where you've got like a wood trim door,
Yeah, okay.
and then you would do a wood there. Yeah. And then your handle.
Okay.
Yeah, you're not going to rip your leg off.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that.
So that's quite nice.
actually.
It's kind of traditional, but
Yeah.
still modern.
Yeah.
So that one you can actually get in kitchens as well. So that's that one there.
Right.
How about this week? Wednesday night, does that suit you guys?
Yeah.
You
6
both-
o'clock.
6 o'clock or
Yeah,
something?
yeah.
Great. All right. Okay, well, we'll just get a voucher for you.
Yeah.
So if you decide to go ahead on the day,
Yeah.
we can give you free installation.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
Sounds
big
great.
savings, so.
We'd love that.
Yeah, all right, well, I'll go and get you the voucher. for
Okay,
that.
thank you.